Hello, this is Hanif. Welcome to the Live Coding channel. And in this tutorial series, you'll learn Python by doing some great exercises. So let's get started. Please do subscribe on my channel and click on the notification icon to get latest video updates. Exercise number 3 is write a program which will ask for a start and an end range, and then find all such numbers which are divisible by 2 but not a multiple of 4 in that range. And we need to also print the numbers in a comma separated way and also on a single line. So let's see how to do that. So basically in that exercise we need to get two inputs from the user, one for the start position, so take it like this way, and we also like to take it as an integer. So input enter the start of the range, okay, then also the end, and input enter the end of the range. And we basically need to iterate through all the numbers between the start and end and get the output in a list. So for this I would like to take a list all and just keep it blank because we don't have anything right now. Now as we need to iterate through all the numbers between the start and end, so what we can do, we can use the range function. And so for I in range, and the range, it should be start from the start and it should actually end +1, because the things that a range function works, it basically start from the start number and then it goes up to that number but not included that number. So if we want to include the end as well, so we need to give it +1 so that the end number will also be included. Okay, and now we need to check that whether it is divisible by 2 and not a multiple of 4. So how we can do that? We can use the if condition. If the number, that is I, is divisible, that is a modulus of 2 is equal to 0, that is divided by 2, and I is not divisible or not a multiple, that is not divided by 4, is not equal to 0, not equal to 0. So that's the condition. If it's satisfied, we need to take the number and append it in our list. So append I, and we can take it, we can convert the number to a string so that it will be a list of strings of all the numbers. And now we got all the numbers in the list. Now what we need to do is that we need to print the result. So result, and we also, the another condition is that we need to print all the numbers is in comma separated, and it also have to be on a single line. And for this, what we can do, we can use the join function. And here so as you want the comma separated, so we like to give a comma and then use the join function. As you can say, it takes an iterable item as an argument, so join, then we need to pass the iterable item, that is list all in our case, and that's it. And now if I now run this program, so run it. So and now if I would like to give in range like 20 to 50, okay, so here you can see 22, so 24 is not included as it is a multiple of 4. 26, then 28 is also a multiple of 4, it has not been included in here. So like this way you can see it has already included all the things that is a multiple of 2 but not a multiple of 4. So by this way you can get the answer. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Hope this helped. Thank you.